Hi, good morning, everyone. So I start my day with Stock Pro disclaimer. So I really want to thank, all of you who are really so considerate, and the disclaimer that I showed you is actually sent by a subscriber and who must have realized that I'm technologically very challenged and who must have felt, probably this is the best way he can support me or she can support me. I really don't know the gender, but the thing is, I felt very happy about it, and that you people are thoughtful and you people are, supporting me in whichever way. And on Saturday, something very funny happened, so a subscriber actually texted me, and I thought he's got a website or he's a technical expert, and I said I need support in some other way, and then we started, I sent him my phone number and we started talking. So anyway, he said he gave me very constructive points. He said that one, that when you are actually talking about the stocks or the trades, you use pop-outs because then the screen will be larger. So 100%. And then he helped me with my downloading of Pi, which I was stuck for actually almost for a year I'm stuck with downloading Pi. And he took my, his name is Ranjit, if I know it correctly. And he took my PC on remote control and he helped me in downloading it. And of course, I felt very nice. But once again, I'm good at analyzing stocks and I'm good at, finding out the opportunity. But when it comes to technology, I'm pretty much challenged. So I'm working on it. I'm really working on it. That is why you don't see me doing much, trading, because I always rely on a person who sits in my office and ask him to buy and sell for me. So, anyway, so that was that. Now, let's, since whenever we start our day by analyzing Nifty, right? So let's analyze Nifty today. So it's been hovering over at this point, which is about between these 10 points. So I'll show you what's happening at 5 minutes. So, when you are not being able to find anything, just go to all possible time frames. So this is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes may Nifty is below 10 moving average. Nifty is below 200 moving average. And it's struggling hard to be able to cross over. So now see here, MACD is just crossing. RSI may also go up. So there is a possibility that Nifty might go up. But really we can't say anything, because since the Nifty's stance is positive, it's wanting to go up until heavy profit booking comes in. Yeah, agar heavy profit booking aa jayegi, then we can't say anything. But और आप देखिए कितने मिनट तक, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 कैंडल, मतलब 1 hour 5 minutes it's been just struggling to go up this 200 moving average. और ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि ये उसमें सक्सेसफुल हो पा रही है. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन 15 मिनट्स. सो 15 मिनट्स में भी सिचुएशन कोई खास अच्छी नहीं है. तो नाउ सिंस वी ऑलवेज डू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 15 मिनट्स, लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. अभी ये 10 मूविंग एवरेज और कैंडल्स में बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस है. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई एकदम ड्रास्टिक चेंज अभी आएगा. हो सकता है थोड़ा और नीचे जाए और फिर थोड़ा सा हॉरिजॉन्टली कैंडल्स जाए और फिर ऐसे करके ऊपर जाए. So we will have to wait and watch. There's nothing that we can do right now. But let's go back to our old trades. Let's see what's happening in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So see here, Kotak Mahindra Bank. See this again, we exited our position here, somewhere here. इस जगह पे हमने अपनी पोजीशन को एग्जिट कर लिया था. उसके बाद इसने डबल बॉटम लगाया और फिर ये ऊपर चल पड़ा. So when a stock is fundamentally strong, when you identify the correct stock, there are very few chances that you will lose out. There are very, very few chances that you will actually lose your money, right? Since, and I would like to show you what's happening in Dr. Reddy also. This is Dr. Reddy. In this also you can see, it's finding a great difficulty to cross over this 50 moving average. ठीक है, 10 moving के ऊपर थोड़ा बहुत कभी चला जाता है, but why? Because if you see its largest, a bigger time frame that you will see the more accurate your trades will be, and lesser will be the frequency of your trades. Now I'll show you, I'm showing you this 1 hour, let me show you 1 hour graph of Dr. Reddy. Let's see what's happening. Okay, this is 15 minutes only that it's showing me. There is some problem, I don't know why it's not fetching me the graph of 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour graph, if I could get it. So this is 1 hour graph. So here you can see, I'll make it bigger. So you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 hours 9 hours 9 नहीं 8 hours इसने रेजिस्टेंस दिया है. ठीक है, आज भी जब ये खुला तो एक ये कैंडल और दूसरी कैंडल लग गई है. ठीक है, अभी भी इसको मतलब इट्स नॉट बीइंग, ये 1 आवर का ग्राफ है, इट्स नॉट बीइंग एबल टू गैदर इनफ मोमेंटम to go beyond this 50 moving average, right? I hope that gives a very clear indication what you should do, since Nifty also looks to me as if it's in the downward trend. See here, this is Nifty's 1 hour graph. Now let's see what's happening in 15 minutes. Now see, it's again, so now see what tells us that it's going to go down. You know, it's the gap between the 10 moving average and the candles. That actually shows us कि अभी कोई इसके पास रीजन नहीं है कि ये क्विकली बेंड होके ऊपर चली जाए. फर्स्ट द कैंडल्स हैव टू टच द मूविंग एवरेज. First the candles have to touch the moving average. Once that will be done, then only you can say anything about, you know, how Nifty will go. Even MACD is open, even RSI is below 40, so it actually is clear indication that it will be probably going down for a few more points until it gets, let's find out our you know, supports. So if you see here, ये हमारा एक सपोर्ट आएगा, ये जगह एक हमारा सपोर्ट आएगा 9127. ठीक है, 9127 or 9130 is where we will get one support. Why? How do we say that? We say it by looking at the previous candles and previous graph. यहाँ पे कहीं पे आपको एक सपोर्ट मिलेगा, और अगर वो इसको भी क्रॉस कर देती है फिर नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पे, विच इज 9086. वहां पे आपको सपोर्ट मिलेगा, राइट? 9080 या 9100 पे आपको एक सपोर्ट मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो ये आपके सपोर्ट लेवल्स है. बट यू नो, यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. अभी मुझे निफ्टी का स्टांस थोड़ा नीचे जाने का ही लग रहा है, बाय लुकिंग एट द ग्राफ एंड बाय लुकिंग एट द MACD and RSI and the other, you know, parameters. So be very careful, and I think it's the time we should book profit in Kotak Mahindra Bank. But although technically though it doesn't say anything like that, you know, the candles and the moving averages are way away from each other. You can wait for a while, you can still wait for a while, you can, if you are in the trade, but don't do any fresh long positions. So guys, I want to make one or two things very clear to you. जब आपको इंट्राडे करना है, आपको 15 मिनट का ही ग्राफ लेना है. ठीक है, नो लेसर देन दैट. आप उससे छोटा ग्राफ लेंगे, यू विल फॉल्टर, यू विल बी ट्रैप्ड, यू विल लूज योर मनी, राइट? वन. सेकेंड थिंग, जब भी हमको लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेड करने हैं, हमको वन डे के टाइम फ्रेम पे करने हैं. तीसरी बात ये कि किसी ने लिखा है कि अगर आप मतलब इसका मतलब बैठे ही रहना पड़ेगा ग्राफ कैंडल्स देखने के लिए. If you are doing intraday trade, you have to sit on the trade. There is no other option that you have. You have to sit on the your platform and do the trade by looking at it continuously. You can't leave your trade until you really, you know, you have well-defined target. So you will have to sit and wait and watch. So that was that. Now about a few more stocks. See now there is a huge surge of buying has come in the Kotak Mahindra Bank, and I believe it should cross 860 right away, right? So those who are there, as I told you, until this 10 moving average touches the candle, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so I'm happy you all are earning money, and I'm sure I was speaking to, I mean, so many emails have come to me over this weekend, I can't tell you. Somebody writes me that he has lost 30 lakhs rupees in last 1.5 years, and I said, it's phenomenal. How did you have so many guts to do that? You know, you can't be so irresponsible about your money. And somebody saying that I've taken a 20 lakhs loan and you have to help me out pay. How will, like, this is, it's your responsibility what you do with your life. You have to take responsibility. When you do a trade, do it carefully and do with responsibility. You can't be irresponsible. So learn. The only thing that I can tell you is learn right now. Don't do anything until you have learned. So some more stocks that I've found for you on this weekend, which may take some time to mature. So one of them is Apar Industries, and the other one, Apar Industries, this is one day graph. This is Apar Industries one day graph. It's a very good stock. See how beautiful run up it has had. Starting from 116, it is now at 703. Now, if we'll have to wait for many days, like we'll have to see then when all the parameters fall the way we want them to, like MACD should cross, RSI should go up, and then the candles actually should show us exactly that they are planning to go up. Then only we can take a trade. That was one. I have done its technical analysis also. So this is Apar Industries. Stocks P is 16.62 and the high is 782 and low is 444. And see this graph, it's just too beautiful, like it's tangent is just a straight line. There's not much of dip anywhere. Then if you see here, pros are company has reduced debt and the company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 21.45%. The cons are promoter's stake has decreased and company has a low return on equity. These are its cons. Of course, when the promoters reduce their stake, means they don't believe in their own company. Then if you see here, in its peer group, its P is quite respectable. Like it's not very low, but it's not very high either. Like if you compare it with Honeywell Auto and all, you will see that it's quite respectable. Market cap is also respectable, and sales of this quarter has really been good, whereas Honeywell has just half of it sale, right? And then operating profits, there has been a growth in operating profits here, right? You can see operating profit margins also have grown. Then you see net profit is 43.29 after the taxes. Then net profit is grown over different quarters. If you see here, it has been 107. There's a continuous growth. Then you can see the compounded profit growth and return on equity, and then the the net cash flow from negative it has become positive, right? So that was Apar Industry, and then another stock that I found for you is Kiri Industries. This Kiri Industries also, this is a one day graph, and we'll have to wait. We can't just buy right now because all the two lines, 50 moving average and 10 moving average, are below 50 moving average. If there is a cross in the upward direction, then only we will buy it. So I would like that you people do its technical and fundamental analysis yourself and put it on your radar. I don't plan to do anything because oh my god, this is Kotak Mahindra Bank. It's going so beautifully up. So I don't plan to do anything because until I get a clear indication from Nifty. Nifty is definitely going down, but बहुत slow or रुक के movement है. So I want a much more clearer indication from Nifty because it's been on a positive run up for a long time. So let's see what happens. Abhi I have just put a few stocks on my radar, and out of them the two are definitely Kotak Mahindra Bank, which I feel that if Nifty goes down and again goes up, then I may look into it again. And another one is Dr. Reddy. If it goes down, then I'll see to it. So this is my video of today. Please learn your your technical analysis and fundamental analysis well. And guys, I'll be soon starting with the training program. I'm just working on the infrastructure and everything. So all the best. Do your really correct analysis and then invest your money. Just before I close, disclaimer once again, this video is only for educational purpose. Trading or investing in stock market involves financial risk. Be careful. Thank you so much.